Hello. Welcome to Military Test. Today I will present you a knife made in China. It has a kydex sheath. It looks really good. It's a small knife. It doesn't have a logo, it doesn't have any brand, it doesn't write anything on the blade. It has an interesting design, it is full tang. At the end it has the classic ring that karambit knives have. It can be used in both positions. In the classic position and the fighting position. The handle is made of G10. On the inside, the handle has a red-orange stripe, an interesting mix with green. It fits very well in the sheath, there is no friction. It has an attachment to the belt, it is adjustable, depending on the width of the belt. It comes out a little harder, it can be customized according to the size of the belt. The grip system is very good. If we undo the fastening system, it can be worn like a neck knife. It is quite light, the knife weighs 100 grams, without the sheath. And the sheath together with the fastening system weighs 50 grams. It comes quite well sharpened. The front part of the blade is very slightly pointed. It would have been interesting if the whole blade was sharp. It has the following dimensions. Full length, 17.6 centimeters. Length, 6.8 centimeters. Blade thickness, 3 millimeters. Blade length, 11 centimeters. Steel, 5Cr13 steel. Hardness, 60 HRC, vacuum oil cold heat treatment. It has very good finishes. It looks very good even if it is not a famous brand. The blade has grooves for a better grip. It fits very well in the hand, less so for those with very large palms.